Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. Me, Mark. And what we have here is a very relaxing day because we are, I'm observing a holiday here in the Philippines. So for the rest of you, I hope you are safe or at a relaxed state, just like I am. So what we have here is a recommendation from our good friend, David Gilman. David, thank you for this recommendation. I remember you I think we reacted to what's that? What was that recommendation of you? It was a long video as well. I think it was during their album launch, but it's just the first part. So we're supposed to react to the second part already. But this one is on top. This was top of the list. So maybe in the following weeks to come. So just stay tuned. So in this video, it's entitled Fourth Impact at the TIP, Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila. And this was uploaded or the actual event was December 1. So that was a couple of about 4 months ago, over 4 months ago. This is actually their alma mater according to the description of the video. And this was the name of the event was the Night of Lights and Carols, so some sort of a Christmas special or something. This was their first event after returning from LA. So interesting. This will run for 24 minutes 20 seconds. So somewhere in between the videos, we're gonna pause and give reactions because most likely this will have like I'm guessing about 5 songs at most, maybe 4 to 5 songs. If it were regular songs, no medleys. Okay. So for those of you who would like to watch this video, because it's in portrait, so it's I think for me I find it easier to watch this, or it would be a better view if it's through a mobile phone or a tablet, anything, or maybe if your computer is or if your monitor can be oriented, in portrait mode, that would be fine. Mine is old school, so I only get to have a landscape view. But anyway, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And without any further delays, let us give the song a go in 3, 2, 1.
Force impact in the house! Force impact in the house!
Sorry about that. So there's some ad. So let's resume.
President Agos. So this is our way to give back naman this time. And there is a request, okay ba? Sana subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel namin. Kasi malapit na kami nag-1 million subscribers. Gift na sa amin, okay lang? Yes! Thank you so much. Okay.
And that is the end of the first song. So we are around the 6 minute mark. So their first song was Bang Bang. I wish I can give more or translate more of what they are saying, but so the audio is not that clear. So this is obviously a fan cam. It has some sort of auto volume because when the crowd gets loud, the volume. I'm not sure if it's just me or if it's the video itself. The volume kind of like lower, it lowers down. Let me know if you're experiencing the same from your end. So what I was able to hear clear or was able to jot down. So they did mention that TIP is their alma mater, but they mentioned like a QC branch or Quezon City branch, which is near from where they live because they are also somewhere in Quezon City. But because I'm not sure though if I heard it correctly. So I may have mixed the conversation, but from what I've heard, they were referring to TIPQC from as to where they actually studied, and this TIP branch is Manila. This is where they are actually performing. They also said before they start to sing, pwede mag-request, subscribe naman kayo sa channel namin. So, uh, pwede is like when you're asking permission, may we, something like that, or may. Mag-request is so so there's no I or we, but it's understood, if we are to paraphrase, to phrase it, may we request subscribe kayo, you, referring to the audience, kayo, you all, sa channel namin. So subscribe to our channel. So for this before they came close to the camera, before they started approaching the audience, so I was trying to figure out who's who. Uh, Almira is easy to spot because of her because they were not their footwear are different. So height wise, I can tell that this is Almira, and also the hair. From what I recall, she had her hair cut at above shoulder length. The last one who entered, so when the video started, there were only three of them. I was about to put it in the notes that there were here. If you look, there were only three of them. So I was saying, where's Selena? Uh, so I can tell because that Selena is the one missing because if this were Almira, the one wearing the blue dress, so the other two that she was with is either one of them is Mylene, one of them is Irene. Because for me, these two sisters have the most similar or identical body frame, so it's easy to identify apart from height, from the body shape, body size. It's easy to identify Almira and Selena. So Selena was the one I think who is wearing the skirt. So now we're down with Irene and Mylene. Which one? So I just based it on the hairstyle because I find Irene more I find Mylene who likes her hair more of like nakalugay. Nakalugay is it's not ponytailed, it's just the natural fall of the hair. That's what nakalugay means. Irene is more of like she would either she kind of like arranges her hair, like she either ties it or that buns, double bun style, something like that. um so that's my guess who's who. Let me know in the comments if I did get it right or did I interchange Mylene and Irene? But anyway, going to the reaction with the performance, you can just see that they really started with a bang here, and the show was done in the school's indoor court, and usually we refer. I'm not sure if it's just me, but I refer to indoor courts as inside schools as gymnasiums because everything is done inside that indoor place. It's not just basketball. You also do calisthenics there and other stuff. So I use the term gym or gymnasium very loosely. But anyway, going back to the performance, you can see that the crowd is wild, loud, and out of control, and you can feel that the ladies there are enjoying. You can see as early as the first song, they are not, they're already approaching the audience. They usually do that, as far as I can tell, from the performances that I've watched and one of the shows that I've been to. They usually do that at their last song, or maybe the last song before the last song, because when they say that it's the last song, they're going to do a speech, and then if the organizers would allow, they will perform one more extra last song. So yeah. And anyway, we proceed with the next song. Let's give it a go in 3, 2, 1.
Supporting our very own Force Impact in the house. Yeah!
Okay, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, kami po ay magkakapatid lahat. Nandiyan po yung mama namin, our mom is with us. Iisa po yung mga natin. Ano po ang sir na? Shoutout kay Ma'am Pader, siya ang nag-invite sa amin dito sa QA Manila. Grabe ka. And ang mga nakalagay sila sa December 4 nasa QC naman po kami.
Wala.
Super grateful kami. Maraming salamat sa warm welcome niyo. And aside sa favor na ending, gusto rin namin hingin yung support niyo guys because we just released our new single na nirecord namin sa America. Sana mag-subscribe, help nyo kami to stream it sa Spotify. And pakantahin nyo yun sa inyo. So, itong song na to was composed by the composer of Jennifer Lopez. So, ito yung first ever US debut single namin entitled Distorted at dinidedicate namin ko sa mga sino na ba dito yung niloko.
Si Catherine!
Ang umaasa. So, ito yung song na to na nag-cheat yung guy sa kanya.
Sa Bohol!
Diba?
So we have some ads. I think I kind of mixed or interchanged Eileen and Myrene. So yeah, let's proceed with the video.
Gusto niya kasi sa mga sabihin kami kumanta, it goes like this. Oh, oh, oh. Bilis niya. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, Siyempre, friend, impact may basisan po yan. Una pa lang po yun. Sabayan niyo po kami. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, yes. Honestly, yung mga kantahin namin to, ay pupunta kami kung saan may malakas na sigaw.
Heart impact! Heart impact! Heart impact!
Sorry about the ads, guys. So we don't have the free, I mean the paid service. You can always check or watch the video from directly because I'm gonna share the link in the description. So let's skip and go back to the show. And that was the end of the second song. So it turns out I think they're gonna be able to sing about maybe one more song, or maybe two if they don't have too much uh, speech in the middle. But you can see how the crowd really or yeah the crowd really loves them. So let me start by sharing here. Uh, I didn't note. Was it? I think it was Mylene who said this. Grabe energy ni ate. So she was like acknowledging or just appreciating. Grabe is an expression. Like it's something to describe when you are doing something in excess or too much. So let's say when you're too generous, grabe. That's like an expression. It can be a good thing, it can be a bad thing, depending on what you are citing. So let's say if if it was let's say if you beat someone up in excess of self-defense, if you injure someone, just an example. So that's you can also use the expression grabe, but it's more of not a good thing. So grabe is a somewhat neutral, so it depends on how to what particular act is being um, cited. So here they were citing the energy level of ate means sister. So they took notice of someone in the crowd. However, the camera is did not move to that. Did not focus on that particular person. So we can't tell what energy level was she doing, because everyone is like shouting. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's because maybe she's head banging, or I'm not sure. But but for them to take notice of that, it really means a lot to them, the appreciation. And I guess also from that audience, to be taken notice of by Fourth Impact. That's an awesome experience. So the next song was Distorted. So prior to the intro of the song, they asked some questions. Uh, if you remember hugot, the term hugot means to pull, hugot, yeah, or to draw from a certain emotion, to draw something deep, something like that. So I guess that's where Distorted took inspiration from. That's why they were asking the crowd, sino na ba dito ang niloko? Sino means who, dito means here. So who among who are present here? Ang niloko, niloko means cheated or tricked. So you can even hear someone shouted, "Si Catherine!" I think the Catherine, that person in the audience referring to, is the actress who recently broke up with his or who was recently I don't know the word, but they parted ways with his boyfriend. But anyway, there was another question. Sino dito ang umaasa? Sino is who? Dito here. Umaasa is hoping. Asa is hope. So umaasa, hoping. So who here is hoping? So hoping in terms of hoping to find the one. So these are like who got questions. That's why you can really hear from the audience reaction. Si ano, si ano. They are they are what do you call that? Mentioning, calling out people. Si ano, si ano, si ano. Very very schoolish behavior, but very funny. And yeah, it's just I can feel that they were have everyone is having a great night there. So there was a part that they were also engaging the audience, prepping them for their part in the song. They ask one part of the every section of the crowd, left, right, center, and all, doing the oh, and then I think it was Almira who said, "Pupunta kami kung saan malakas ang sigaw." Uh, we going where strong or loud shout. So let's phrase that we are going to wherever the shouts are loud or strong. So in this performance, I noticed that, it's not just about the singing and the dancing and all, but connecting with the audience. You can I noticed that Selena at one stage, yes, let's start with Selena. Selena even held the phone of an audience, and she's the one who took the picture of them. And then Almira went closer to the ones who were behind the barriers and shook their hand. It even took her a while to come back into the center, so I'm guessing some of them even took pictures with her. So it's not just a guest performance or appearance. It also felt like some sort of a media day because they were very indulgent, very accommodating in terms of the requests, photo requests of the crowd. So we still have about 9 minutes left. So it's still enough to have two songs, but my guess is it's just down to one last song. But anyway, let's see how it goes in three, two, one.
This time, alam ko to, it's a competition of all the singers. Pwede ba kami may makuhang apat? Meron dito.
Too many ads. Don't you agree? Okay. Anyway, let's skip and go back to the show.
Ako sana, kaso lang, pagbigyan ko na yung mga bata. Ako sana pupunta, kaso lang, pagbigyan ko na lang yung mga bata.
Just when we are about to, you know, war, getting warmed up for the the song, so the intro already started, and then we just. So I hope this is the last ad because we kind of have a little over 3 minutes remaining in the video. So let's go. Let's go back.
Walang mic.
And that is the end of the event. So the last song was Bagsakan by Parokya, Parokya ni Edgar. I realized that that's the song they were performing because somewhere during, they were still trying to look for audiences who will perform with them. I heard the one near, or the one actually taking the video, asking ano yung bagsakan. So she was asking what is bagsakan. So bagsakan is the title of the song. When we say bagsakan, it's like a jam, you know. Uh, it's something that you tell someone, if you want to play something, and then you just want them to play anything, like just play a certain progression or a certain rhythm. That's bagsakan. If it's your first time playing drums for the band, and then you just want to, just lay down some tracks, just so that you get the groove for that song, that's also coined bagsakan. Now, uh, they were I didn't actually got the actual message that they were saying, but they are basically thanking the audience for their energy. And then they also mentioned wala nang time. So they are referring to running out of time. I guess in terms of performing, maybe they're not the only ones performing, or maybe there's another there's it's part of the program where that's their only allotted time, and then you can hear the audience shouting, "Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa, isa pa." Isa is one, pa is more. One more, one more. So they were asking for one more song. So now for this particular, so this is what I was saying that um, um, probably the previous song was their last song, but the audience kept asking one more. So that this is the last song. So they were getting audience to So they were actually asking audiences who would like to perform with them. At this part, I didn't know what song they will perform it, not until the audience was actually asking, ano yung bagsakan? So that's where I realized, okay, the rap song. Uh, the audience also mentioned this twice. Ako sana, kaso pagbigyan nyo na yung mga bata. So she was saying, I wish, or here the word sana was used as supposed to. Pagbigyan, to just give chance, uh, bata is kids. So she was saying, I am supposed to. So she was like, she's supposed to volunteer herself. Kaso is, but, pagbigyan is give chance. Uh, so she was saying, mo or nyo is, she was telling Force Impact, you guys give chance to the kids or to the younger ones. And then they were asking for the courses of those who were who volunteered themselves. So CE, so one is in the civil engineering department or course, and then the other, I think I heard, if I heard her correctly, BSIT, info technology, information technology. And then the song just started, so everyone got their turn, and then it's basically for Impact singing the chorus, and then for the actual verses, it were the audience who were picked. So basically, they had a good time, and then they simply just rocked it. So yeah, that's my reaction and translation, etc. How I felt about the this performance. So it's quite long. So if you are still here listening to what I'm saying, I appreciate. Thank you for listening to my reaction. So it was a very happy, epic night for them. It was a blast, and this means a lot because this was their first performance in the Philippines since they from their since they're coming home, from LA, from the US. So let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.